Plank Hardware and Annie Sloan challenged me to give an ordinary piece of furniture a glow up. So if you want to know how I turned this charity shop find from this to this, here's how you do it. The cabinet needed a little prep work, including filling the existing handle holes. I cut thin new fronts from MDF, and using this 15cm hole saw, which attaches onto a drill, I measured and cut 3 evenly spaced holes in the front of each, before sanding and sticking them down with glue. Using the cutout from the hole saw, I marked new holes for the Plank Hardware handles and drilled these before painting. I picked Annie Sloan's chalk paint in Coco, which doesn't require sanding or priming. Once painted and waxed, I fitted Plank's lunar round halo knobs for the perfect finishing touch for this furniture makeover.